We getting wrecked today. Good morning. Today, I'm eating at McDonald's, guys. McDonald's only today. Today is not a good day. Stock market go down a lot. That hurt. I might need to go get a job. We're not doing so hot. How do I know so much stuff and where did I learn it? TikTok and YouTube. I probably learned more on YouTube, to be honest. YouTube and the internet. But I mean, I gave $120,000 to the University of Southern California, and I think I've learned more on my YouTube Premium account than I did at my MBA. What level do I get margin called? Here, I'll show you, dude. It's still like, don't worry, man. I'm not margin to the moon. Yeah, today sucks, dude. Today sucks, but here, let me show you. Look. I still got I still need the market to go down another 62%, and then yeah, then I'm in trouble, guys. If the market goes down another 197 grand, uh I might uh I might need to move into a trailer park, guys. That would be bad. Let's see what the suits are saying on CNBC. But this is when you're buying. I think I bought like $10,000 of stock this morning. I put in 10 grand. So you buy the red days. But would you let us ride? What do you mean, would I let us ride? What kind of question is that? I'm not sure. People are freaking out about the 10-year treasury. That's what the suits are saying on CNBC. Oh my god. Oh my god. By the way, you like my shirt? UCI. What is that? Is the stock market going to crash soon? No, because if it crashes, they just print more money. Haven't we gone through this, guys? So what happens is when the market crashes, what they do is the government borrows money and bails the rich people out. And so the rich people get richer because the rich people are the ones that buy the stocks and the real estate, right? And so stocks and real estate go back up even higher, and it becomes even more unaffordable for, middle class and lower class people. That's the hustle. Scare everyone. Be like, oh, stocks are bad. Don't buy stocks. They go down. And then when they go down, who's buying it? Nancy Pelosi and a bunch of rich people. So, totally up to you. Yep, you buy the dip. What's up, Murray? Can you guys follow Murray? We're trying to get Murray to 1,000 followers so he can do a double live stream with me. That would be nice. Wouldn't it be nice? I became a millionaire at 25. I think that's what, but what's his name? If you guys really want to meet someone who's smarter than me, it's meet Kevin. I'll make it my background right now so you guys can see. But meet Kevin became a millionaire when he was 23. So he technically beat me. Yeah, I became a millionaire when I was 25, but my boy, he's running for governor of California too. That's why I want people to know about him. No, I've never met him, but I wanted to be the governor. But he's basically a younger, smarter version of me. I'm gonna keep it 100. And that's who I've learned a lot from is Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin is my inspiration to go borrow a bunch of money and buy stocks. Um, but here, let me do a screenshot really quick. Ugh. I'm gonna do a screenshot of his YouTube. Yeah, it would be cool for him to come on one of my live streams, but he's too big, man. He's running for governor of California. Hold on, I'm gonna do a screenshot really quick so you guys can see. Oh, no way, Meet Kevin borrowed? I didn't know that. So he borrowed from his father-in-law. Okay, that's really cool. That's why he married that's why he married Lauren then. That's hilarious. So hold on. Okay. I'm sending it over. What is this right here? So this is how much I've been borrowing to buy the dip. Dude, you guys want to see Ethereum? Are you guys ready for a little crypto flex? I'm going to do a little crypto flex on my Ethereum. Dude, look how much interest I've collected from BlockFi. This was a $13,000 investment. I spent $13,000 to buy this Ethereum. I've never invested in something that I use multiple platforms. You can go through my videos, or I can talk about the best one. But yeah, dude. But by the way, if you guys follow Meet Kevin, he's like worth 20 million bucks. So I'm like the light version, okay? If you think I'm balling and you think I'm smart, you should follow Meet Kevin because he's younger than me and he's smarter than me. Anyways, I'm gonna show you. So this one is BlockFi, and I also use Voyager Digital because this one they throttle your Bitcoin. Once you have over 1 Bitcoin, they don't pay you. Yeah, Celsius is another good one. I actually agree with you on that one. Celsius is pretty legit. NASDAQ is down for the 3rd day. The suits are, do I work? No, man. I'm a full-time real estate investor and stock investor. So I basically just wake up in the morning and I buy assets. And then I go on TikTok and give my opinion on TikTok. Okay, he needs the Voyager code. Here we go. All right, and by the way, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy everything you want on Voyager, and there's no fees. Here's the code. No. How do I get to that? How do we get to that level? You just start, man. Start with like a small goal. Start with like 1,000, then get to 10 grand. Yeah, here, give me the Celsius code. Bullish stocks, can you message that to me and I'll sign up. I'll sign up for Celsius. And here's my Voyager code. So if you so here's the code, CIN849. If you want to do that. They pay you in Ethereum. They pay you in your crypto. So if you give them Bitcoin, they pay you Bitcoin. If you give them Ethereum, they give you Ethereum. If you want dollars, it's 9%. They pay you 9%. How much can I borrow on my current portfolio? I could probably borrow right now another $500,000 because I have other accounts that I haven't borrowed on that just sit there. Yeah, there we go. Shout out to Albert, man. Shout out to Albert. Give you a little follow right there. So Albert, what's your goal now? Albert, you trying to get to 100K? Like literally everyone's goal should be try to get to 10K. Well, actually get to 2K. First is to get to 2 grand. Then you get to 10 grand. And then you get to 100. And then I think anyone here in this live stream, if you really make it your goal and you work hard for like 10 to 30 years, you can be a millionaire. Okay, there you go. Message that to me. Bullish stocks. I'll sign up for Celsius. So get that $40 of free Bitcoin. Okay, you message it to me? Okay, cool. I'm gonna sign up on Celsius. And if you haven't done Voyager Digital, do Voyager Digital, but Celsius pays you more. Yeah, keep putting in every week. Someone said, I don't know if this is possible, but it's like invest 80% of what you make and spend 20%. But I just think is you just take whatever you can, right? If you can only save $100 a month, then start with $100 a month, you know? It's just like going to the gym. It's baby steps, but it compounds. It compounds, and then you never know. You might get lucky. You know, you might buy Ethereum. You might put in $13,000 into the next Ethereum, and it becomes 180 grand. But the main thing is you're on this live stream. You're following people on TikTok, and you're learning. You can, but for me, I always put like 80% of my investments in like the safe stuff and just let it grow. And then I think I take 20% on YOLO bets. Buy some Bitcoin too, man. And then remember, diversify. Remember, for me, I can borrow. Can you guys borrow? This is what stocks and this is what makes stocks better than crypto. Hold on, I gotta show you guys. Maybe Ethereum. That's probably my bad. And I didn't even put that much. 13 grand is not a lot of my net worth, to be honest. But Ethereum was. But look at this, guys. Everyone here should consider getting an interactive brokers. And look how cheap you can borrow. I mean, you need 100 grand, but even if you don't have 100 grand, they lend to you at pretty low rates. So that's the problem with crypto. If you only own crypto, you can't get loans and you can't borrow. So if you're just only crypto, look into also investing in stocks and also learn how to borrow on your stocks. By the way, is there anyone here on this live stream that has more than 1,000 followers? I'm trying to get someone else to come on my live stream so we can talk. But everyone here should definitely check out Interactive Brokers. Oh man, I love this coffee. I have 27K. Good for you. Hey, Bullish Stocks, can you do a live stream right now? Are you free or are you at work? 16, that's good. Yeah, let's get someone on this live stream so I'm not just talking. Let me see if I can find any of my friends that are on this live stream. It's only Tiffany Taylor, and she knows nothing about stocks, so I don't even like talking to her. All right, here. I'm just going to invite random people up. If you have 80,000, should you split it equally? First off, is it 80,000 cash or 80,000 what? Hey, you can go live. Can you go live, Laud? You ask a lot of really good questions. If you can do a dual live stream with me, I feel like that would be awesome. Did you use CIN 849? Yeah, so LA Laud save Jess. Jess? Okay, cool. Jess, let's do a live stream. You can go live. You just go live. Do you know how to go live? And let's talk about your $80,000 of cash. This is a good live stream. Here, I'm gonna change it. Oh man, hold Here we go. That's my code if you're trying to get. Okay, 3 minutes. So there we go. In 3 minutes, guys, we're gonna have her come on. Yeah, but you need to come in. Bullish, we need to do a live stream, man. Are you also able to do a live stream? I don't have to go to the gym for like an hour, so we can go for an hour, and then I have to get off. That's my job. Go to the gym. But anyways, I'm gonna use your Celsius code, so you have to do a live stream with me. All right, you're gonna get $40 of free Bitcoin off of me, and we need to do a live stream. Cake. If you're talking about Cheesecake Factory, that's a good stock. I like Cheesecake Factory. Sounds good. Good deal. So I have a career. I have a broker's license, and believe it or not, maybe on TikTok I'll find more real estate deals. So I'm a real estate investor now. I sold my medical diagnostic company. I started a medical diagnostic company. We do toxicology and MRIs, and we sold that in 2018. I'm a full-time real estate, stock, and crypto investor. And what's cool is I actually have an LLC, you know, the LLC that got the $1 million loan from the Chinese bank. And so through my TikTok, I want to do some real estate deals. So technically I do have a career, okay? It's going on TikTok and finding other entrepreneurs that want to invest in real estate and possibly doing like a partnership deal. Yeah, you can use Cash App to buy stock and Bitcoin. I actually really like Cash App, and you should buy their company. It's Square. That's a great stock. I think her means. Yeah, you can't yield farm, but it's good for stocks, but you can't get margin on it either. Not hating on you. But here, you know who's smarter than me, guys? Let me show you. If you want to learn from me, this is my sensei, even though he's older than me. But here it is. He's running for governor. Yeah, dude, I think Dodge will be $1. Yeah, there you go. You go to post a video, and there's a live stream button, and then you just go live. Can you talk more about building interest on Bitcoin? Yeah, I'll show you guys. But by the way, if you can, follow this guy on YouTube, and if you live in California, vote for him for governor. He became a millionaire when he was 23, okay? He beat me. He beat me. I'm a little bit jealous of him, but this guy's a much bigger baller than me. And let's talk about now getting interest on the Bitcoins. That's what Charlie Munger says. The Bitcoins. He doesn't call it Bitcoin. He calls it the Bitcoins. I'm Charlie Munger guy. Okay, here we go. So you can get 9% on your US dollar. You got Bitcoin over there. And then there's Cardano, Ethereum, and Chainlink. You probably can't see it. But this is Voyager. And in order to collect your 6.25 interest, you just have to have a minimum of 0.01 Bitcoin. So collect interest on your Bitcoins. Yeah, he made 27 million. Meet Kevin. Damn, dude, he's a baller. That's what I'm saying. So like when I show my stock portfolios and everyone's like, "Oh, you have so much," it's like, bro, go follow Meet Kevin. No, I haven't heard about that. Thank you. Yeah, dude, I gotta check that out. Thank you for that comment. I will definitely check it out. Mac and Cheesy. Okay, cool. You can't. Unfortunately, if you have Bitcoin on Cash App, you cannot move it. I would just open up a new account and start buying Bitcoin here. So just diversify. I would leave the Bitcoin you have on Cash App and then... Wow, it pays daily. Nexio? Give me the referral link for Nexio. Yeah, he's using options. You're right. You guys all know Kevin. See, it's cool that Kevin is so open about all of this, you know? What happened to what happened to our friend that has the $80,000? Is she still gonna go? Oh, there isn't. Yeah, dude, I really like Kevin and his transparency. You got to go live. Do you know how to go live? Are you trying to still figure out how to go live? It's literally when you go to post something, you just scroll and there's a live button. But when you want to post content, just scroll and it should allow you to go live. So when you open the TikTok and the middle button that you use to post content, you should push that and then there should be like a live button. You have to leave this live stream though. Leave this live stream and then you go live yourself. And then I can invite you. Yeah, hit the plus button, then select live. Yep. That's crazy that she has that many followers and she's never gone live. You don't have to add a title. I leave it blank. But yeah, hopefully she can go live. Hopefully she figures it out. What's up, guys? Yeah, so I get on a good day, I'll get like $100 of signups. I want to be transparent with you guys. Oh, here we go. We got it. Hey, hello. Welcome to the live
Hi.
stream.
Yeah,
I've
thanks for having me. I
I've
had
seen you
no
on
idea.
other people. I see you
What?
on other people's live streams. I've seen because I follow other TikTok people that talk finance, and I see you on the live stream asking questions. So you're like
Yeah,
you're
well,
super into it.
no, I'm learning. I'm trying to learn, so I'm not I definitely don't know what you know, and actually I've been following you for a while because you've given me some good suggestions. I have this, and that's the other thing. I didn't want to go on here saying how much money I had. I was trying to be a little discreet, but it's funny that you saw that, and here I am telling the world. But yeah, I have some cash, and I see how you do it when you put stuff into saving into what you're doing, you're investing your crypto. And I'm not sure how I should diversify. Like, I've listened to you when you've said, pick these stocks and also this crypto. And so I have all that notated down as to how I want to do it. But then I also hear that, crypto is just growing so fast that at sometimes I've heard people say that they want to maybe put more into crypto than they should into stocks. But it seems like stocks are definitely maybe on the more safer side regardless.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, what I would do is put into both. And then, like I said, if you like stocks more and you're enjoying investing in stocks more, then maybe you put more into stocks. If you like crypto more, you put into crypto. For me, I prefer stocks just because you can't borrow on crypto yet. And I do feel like I got in before all the FOMO. So like I got in at really, really low prices. So I mean, if I had zero crypto, I would definitely try to add a little bit right now. But for me, if it was me starting all over again, I would probably be a little more bullish on stocks and just wait for cryptos to correct. But once again, no one has a magic,
Right.
ball. And
Yeah.
if if it was your position where you had that much cash, I would probably just do right now 5,000 stocks, 5,000 crypto, and then just kind of like as the market chugs along, you kind of pick, what you want and kind of go from there. But I always feel like if you're a beginner, there's nothing wrong with diversification because you learn both, right? You don't want to be one
Yeah.
dimensional.
And so I'm looking at maybe buying some property as well because I just own my home, but I want to do the investment.
Have you ever been a
And
landlord? Have you ever been a landlord?
no, no, I've never been a landlord. No.
I'm gonna
So
just be honest. There's a lot more stress in being a landlord, and I don't know where you're located. What state are you in?
I'm in LA.
Yeah, I don't know if you really want to be a landlord in Los Angeles. So
Yeah, yeah,
if it was me, I would definitely keep your home. I wouldn't sell your home because I feel like that will keep going up in value, right?
yeah.
But what I would do is I would just diversify. So not all of your money is just in real estate. So now maybe you buy a little bit of stocks, you buy a little bit of real estate, and you kind of go from there.
Yeah, and then I was also listening to your live. You guys were talking about DC area, and I was thinking, I'm probably living in the wrong place to do all the things I have that I see on TikTok. But also, like you say, you can't borrow against your crypto. But it isn't that what Blockify is borrowing
So
against
you
your crypto?
need So you can borrow against your crypto, but here's the thing: they charge you 6.5% interest, and you can only get 20%. So first off,
Okay.
they only give you loans on Bitcoin. So if you buy like Dogecoin or some other
Yeah.
crypto, they're not going to give you a loan, and they only give you the lowest rate on. It could change, but for now, it has to be Bitcoin. Not even Ethereum. Maybe they changed it, but when I was trying to get a loan on my Ethereum, they didn't even give me the 4.5% interest rate, and then there's like a 2% fee. So, and then the minimum is $10,000. So, in order to borrow on Blockify, that means you normally need more than one Bitcoin because it has to
Yeah.
be 20% of the loan to value. So, where with stocks, let me change it. I think everyone needs to take advantage of Interactive Broker. Have you checked out Interactive Brokers yet?
No, I was listening to that today, so I'm gonna check that out now.
Yeah, just click on the link. You can do the light, so there's no fees, but especially once you go over 100,000, you want to switch it to pro. And here's the deal: once you get over 100,000, you can borrow under 1%. I mean, you
Yeah,
know,
that's nothing. I know. I did the SBA loan that you discussed. I did that, and
did it work?
I'm I'm the one that opened my LLC in Wyoming. Because also you said that, so I'm kind of trying to grasp everything and do and see how it all works because I know I was going to have an $800 fee if I did it here in California, and I so anyway I'm waiting for that to come through if it does, and um, something else I did based on stuff that I've been watching from you. And then just learning how to grab, like you said, the loans and not pay taxes and the tax deductions on the interest. I mean, I've
Yeah,
really been
this is the
trying to
same with your
take
home
note.
loan. It's the
Huh?
same with your real estate. It's the same with your home loan in
Yeah,
LA.
real estate also so many tax deductions.
Yep.
So it seems like, yeah, maybe that's you just have to kind of dip your feet into a little bit of everything.
Hey,
I've done a
FYI,
lot of what you said. Yeah.
FYI, if you do business in California, so if you basically do your trade, the reason you own the Wyoming is to get the out of state properties. But if you're living in California and you're not leaving the state, that Wyoming corporation is probably no go, and you're probably gonna have to switch to California. But once again,
Because
I
why?
would talk.
I have to I have my so if my business is in California and it's not real estate, I can't just say it's sitting in Wyoming. I have it registered over there. That's not quite how it works.
Yeah, so here's the hold on, one of my followers, it's CI 849. It's 849. Someone put in the wrong referral code. It's not 846. It's 849. But anyways, um, once again, I would for sure talk to a CPA
Yeah.
to discuss
I mean, it
that.
was super
But
cheap, so it wasn't a big deal.
yeah, and so you can still get the loan. It's just if you keep that business, because remember, you can shut down the LLC after a
Right.
year, if you don't make
Right.
any money. So, but if you start making money on that LLC, I would talk to a CPA because once again, California is not going to bother you unless you're making more than like 20, 30, $40,000, because then California is going to want to cut, right? But
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
beginning, if you open it and you just lose money on it and you get a loan and it's basically used as like a you'll be okay because remember all
Yeah.
those fees you're paying, just save all your receipts. That's all tax deductible, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
just
yeah.
stay in California and it starts to make a profit, you're gonna have to open not only you can actually pay California taxes with your Wyoming LLC. So that's what you're gonna do. You can still leave it in Wyoming. You just have to pay like a filing fee for an out of state LLC, I
And
believe.
then tax time I would file a Wyoming state tax as well. Is that
Correct, correct.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And that's why you're going to need to talk to like a CPA to get it all structured for you. But the
Yeah.
main thing is it'd be a lot easier now for you to get the loan, the SBA loan, because now you actually have like a legit corporation. Um, so what are you going to be doing with that LLC? Are you going to just be investing in stocks and crypto? Is that what the goal is?
I'd
Or what
like
do you,
to make it. Yeah, I'm trying to. I don't actually know how to correlate that, but yeah, I see that those are
no, you can.
portfolio, right? Yeah.
So yeah, that LLC can now own stocks and crypto, and there's a lot more benefits because it's a company that buys it. If for whatever reason you don't do well and you have losses, you actually get to you get to deduct more, and now your personal expenses. So technically, once again, you need to go talk to a CPA to do all this, but like now half of your house can be considered as an office, and now you can
Right.
just deduct like your computer, whatever you do to buy stocks and cryptocurrency,
Yeah.
it becomes now a tax deduction. And once again, just talk to a CPA. But that's the cool thing because you opened up that corporation, you can now write off a bunch of stuff, and you may not make money the first 2 years. So in a way,
Right.
you get a nice you get a nice tax break.
Yeah, I'm kind of like probably a lot of the followers that you just kind of hear things here and there and you try to grasp. And so I've just kind of thrown myself with, buying crypto, and I just opened my Charles Schwab. I had one in there, but I wasn't doing anything with it. So now all these TikToks, you're so much to learn. So now I'm going to actually, like, I just waited for my account to get funded yesterday. So now I'm gonna pick all my stocks. I remember, and I don't have the paper in front of me, but it's
Don't
like
use
eight.
Charles Schwab. I wouldn't use Charles. The only reason I would have a Charles Schwab is so you can
Because
buy
you have
Voyager
a
Digital.
Charles Schwab.
I do. Voyager
You,
Digital. You can buy Voyager Digital, but I would
okay.
still buy all of my stocks on Interactive Brokers because you're
Oh,
going to be
you
able to borrow
would.
a lot less. Yeah, if you look at Charles
Oh,
Schwab, it's like 8%, like
yeah,
8%
I
or something.
did. It was 8%. Okay.
So yeah, definitely
Okay.
get
So,
yourself an Interactive Brokers. You can just click on my
okay.
profile link, and I have a link for Interactive Brokers.
Okay. And then,
Who are you using for crypto?
who am I? Oh, I have. So then I've downloaded BinanceUSCrypto.com. I have the Coinbase Pro. So I've just downloaded different things. I'm also like, I'm so intrigued. There's so much stuff I want to learn. I've seen day trading sounds so interesting. And also even mining. So I did that too. I ended up buying those helium mining hotspots.
Oh
So
man, you got scammed.
did I get scammed?
Yeah, you got
I
scammed.
figured if I lose, it's fine because I can afford
You buy
a
it under your
3,000
LLC so you
investment.
can tax. Did you buy it under your
What?
LLC? If you bought it under your LLC,
No.
you should say your LLC bought it. Just
Okay.
reimburse yourself. So
Yeah.
what you do is your LLC will reimburse you. You should definitely sell those helium miners to your LLC so you can write it
Uh-huh.
off to your expense. But yeah, I wish you asked me that question. But yeah, the helium thing is a
Yeah, I've
complete
never
scam.
heard you speak on it.
Okay, yeah, it's a complete scam. And if you want, there's a guy named Invest with Dason,
Uh-huh.
Doson. He
Uh-huh.
goes into detail. But like a helium miner guy actually offered him $5,000 to promote his helium miners. And so what he
Oh,
did is he's like, I want
really?
half the money up front. And so this helium miner guy gave him 2.5 grand, and then he like pulled the TikTok and he just kept the money. But he scammed the
Wow.
scammer. Yeah.
Wow. So then these people are
Yeah.
not really
And this
profiting
is
off
why,
of.
by the way, I might just tell you that you should really just stay away from crypto, maybe buy a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But do you realize, like, if you're not young, there's a lot of like risk and it's sometimes not worth it. Where if you
Yeah,
buy stock, you're not taking that kind of risk, right? If you
right.
buy Apple, because how much did your helium miner cost?
They were 300 and I got 350.
Yeah.
I think they were 350.
Yeah. I think if you had put $1,000 into Amazon or Tesla, it would be a much better investment than the helium miners. But if
So
you ever
how
do
does that
anything crypto,
Uh-huh. If you ever do what?
if you do anything crypto, you want to stay in the top 10. If you go to
Yeah.
Coin Market Cap, they'll show you the 10 largest cryptos, and you're not going to get scammed if you stay with those cryptos. But yeah, like Helium, like Safe Moon, these are all like you might be able to make a little bit of money, but you're going to be scamming other people. It's like a kind of a Ponzi scheme. So if you are
Yeah.
making money, you just yeah, Helium. But anyways,
Yeah, I'm
yeah, that's
learning. I'm learning
unfortunate.
all that. I did Safe
Yeah,
Moon. I went in and I got, and then I got out, and then
you
the
make some money off
fees.
Safe Moon.
Yeah, yeah, I made about 1,500. I put a
Okay,
hundred
good for you.
dollars and I made about
Good for you.
1,500. And then I had to pay, like 20% in fees. It was wild.
So you
But yeah,
ended up
so I'm
profiting a
dipping.
thousand bucks. You ended up
No, no, that was
profiting.
my net profit. I think it was
Okay.
a little over 2 grand.
Okay, good
So
for
yeah,
you.
I
See,
made
at
some
least
money.
you broke even then on the SafeMoon scam
Yeah.
and
Oh,
that
right.
multiple
Yeah.
helium miners.
I figure I would get them. I would do something, whatever you're supposed to do with them. And if they didn't work, something to try because I'm just trying to, there's so much to grasp, so much information. And I really want to learn more. So it's
Okay.
exciting. It feels like
Have you
crypto's
actually
making
used
a
the
turn.
helium miners? Have you used
Huh?
those helium miners yet? Have you
No,
used the
they're
helium
not
miners?
even here. They're not even going to be here, I think, until July. And I think August is when they start to change in price, anyhow. So they're going to like dip as far as your rewards.
You buy it on a credit card?
I think I did. I'm
Go
trying to
for it.
remember.
You can charge
Yeah,
it back right
probably.
now. Call them right now
Really?
because yeah, go do your research, but
But
it's a
how
fraud.
is it that
Helium's a
you can
fraud.
go to that map and you can see all the people that are using it?
But it's bullshit. I can create a fake map and say, look at all these people using it. But like, come on, man. I'm just telling you, do
Right.
your research.
Yeah.
Helium's a scam. Anyone that is like smart, that has is a good investor, they're gonna tell you
Yeah.
it's a scam. And the best thing you did is you bought it on a credit card. I would call your credit card company right now and charge it back.
Yeah, I
Do not
probably
accept it.
can. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
do
I
not take
probably
it.
can still do
Keep
that.
your safe moon profits, but do not get the helium miners. You know,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
because it
So
just
I
makes
don't
sense. Who would be paying for helium? I already have a cell phone. Why would I pay for helium? I already have a cell phone. Like who pays for it?
yeah, I don't know how they use it. I don't know how
See,
it's
it's a
being used.
scheme. You give them money, right? They make money on the miners. They
Yeah.
say you're going to make money in the future, right? And it's a
Yeah.
Ponzi. They collect a bunch of
I'm like,
money,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
some people, yeah. So,
Yeah.
but that's good that if you ever buy anything crypto related, buy it on your credit card so you can charge it back if it's a scam.
Funny. Yeah. So I don't get
So,
to see because I joined the live, I don't get to see um people commenting. Is that only on your side?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
I'll read off the comments. I'll read off the comments. So it's no thing. But anyways, so how much have you invested in? So you haven't done that much in stocks. It seems like you're more into crypto and
No,
safe
I've
moon.
never invested. I've just kind of held this money and it's been growing just because of stuff. So I do have my husband has a small business, just side business, but we're just working folks and just have been able to come into a little money here and there. And so now it's just I'm like, what do I do with this? It seems like I could be making money off of my money. And
Yeah, okay. So
I'm
let's change
learning.
my background. I wanna show you. So these are the stocks you need to get into, but I would get your interactive brokers and just get some Amazon because like
Mhm.
Amazon's gonna make money off of all of us the next 10 years, right? Get a little
Yeah.
bit of I'm not as bullish on Facebook as the other companies, but I still think Facebook is a great company. Do you use Facebook? Do your
Yeah.
friends still
Yeah.
use Facebook? Yeah, as long as your friends are still using Facebook, you should own some. And then Tesla, I think is great. You don't have to do Snapchat. I like Google more than Snapchat, and then get Apple. But these are like
Okay.
your basic stocks. And like if you have that kind of cash, I would definitely try to like maybe do like a little bit, maybe like 500 Amazon, 500 Facebook, 500 Tesla, 500 Apple, and then just
Okay.
spread it out. Maybe you buy like a little bit, 500 this week, and then you wait like a week. The price will come down a little bit or it goes up, buy a little more. But
Yeah.
this is way safer. And then maybe you take like the other half, like I would put 40 into stocks and just pick like really good safe stocks that you can borrow, by the way. If you ever need cash, remember you can pull out cash on all of these and you don't have to sell. And then
Yeah.
you have the crypto where you can go have fun.
Yeah. 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 And then you also mentioned EFTs. Um,
ETFs, correct.
I'm
Yes.
sorry,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ETFs. I'm not that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
and
the ETFs are even safer because
right,
they, instead of just owning one company, you can do like VOO is the
VO.
S&P 500. So it's
And
500
you
companies
mentioned
you would own.
the ARRK. Is that the one?
ARKK is
AR.
basically kind of like you can take Bitcoin growth because like ARKK is up like 800% in the last 5 years. So it's like you basically invest in innovative technology and you can still get like those really, really high returns, but it's like you don't have to buy a helium miner. It's like a legit fund with like a legit fund manager. Yeah. So it's it's there's risk in ARKK, but there's a lot less risk because you're also you have like one of the smartest investors of our generation. Have you heard of Kathy Wood yet?
I've
Kathy
heard
Wood?
from you. I've
Yeah,
heard,
go
yes.
on YouTube. You can go on YouTube and you can watch some of her videos and like
Yeah.
you can learn more about her investing philosophy. But I think that's another really good investment. So
Yeah, yeah, I have heard of her. And then also, this is completely separate, but I've also seen where people are staking um their pancake at Pancake Swap. Have you heard of that?
yeah. I've heard about
And
that. You can also do like MetaMask, but once again, these should all be what they're giving you advice. Should be like if you had the $80,000, this should be like $8,000. You do all of this stuff.
most. Okay.
For example, the Safe Moon, you made money. I mean, you got in, you got out. But
Yeah,
what
so
sucks is eventually a lot of people are going to lose that money, and you profited off of that. So it's like,
yeah.
I mean, even with helium mining, it's the same thing. You can maybe make money, but society
It's
does not
mean.
benefit.
It's all mean.
But like if you buy Tesla, society benefits, especially us, because like, LA used to be really smoggy, back, I don't know if you remember in like the 70s and the 80s, you couldn't even go
Yeah.
outside because it was like so dirty, right?
Yeah.
So it's like
Yeah.
you can instead, or if you give money to ARK, ARKK, you can
Hmm.
invest in making the world a better place.
Right.
And that's a lot easier to claim a deduction because sometimes with crypto, you got to be very careful. You have records, but it's not as easy to claim a deduction on your crypto because like when it comes to filing your taxes, it's a lot harder to file taxes with crypto returns, where the
Yeah.
stock companies, the brokers, they give you everything in a piece of paper, and it's like really easy to file your taxes.
Yeah. Okay.
But
Very
yeah, I think
interesting.
it's good that you have the curiosity. Like the main thing is it's cool that you're trying all this stuff, and like you will probably find if you keep doing this, you'll find the next Ethereum. Like if you
Yeah.
keep doing this, you'll find the
Yeah.
next Ethereum where you invest 10 grand and it becomes like 200 grand, right? But that
Yeah.
should only be like that should be like 10% of your investing, and then just the other 90, or if you want to be more risky, maybe like 80 or 50, but definitely if you don't own any of these high quality stocks, you need to do that and then buy some ARKK. And I would probably put at least half, if not like 50K into them.
Mhm. Okay.
But don't put them all in at once. Do you know what dollar
That's
cost
the other
averaging
thing.
is?
Yes, I was learning about dollar cost average. So I'm
Okay.
supposed to set it apart about a week or right? Like I don't know. And I should watch it when it dips by blah blah blah. Right?
Yeah, yeah. So let's just go with Amazon, right? Let's say you
Yeah.
just bought no, sorry, Tesla. Let's just say you bought Tesla at 680, right? And so if it goes below 680, you try to buy more. If it goes above to like 690 or 700, at a certain point, you're gonna have to just buy again, right? But
Right.
if it goes down, you're trying to buy more, and then as it goes up, you're probably gonna still keep buying, but buy like lower amounts.
Okay. And there was something else too I wanted to bring up. The
Okay,
pancake
we got someone
one.
else here. I don't think you have this problem, but how do I approach my student loan debt? I feel trapped. That's like the worst debt, student loans. Do you have any? You got out of that, right?
Yeah,
did
my
you ever?
daughter has some right now. She has
Oh,
some student
really?
debt. Yeah. What a
But
drag, that student debt.
I know, and aren't community colleges now free? Like, can't people right now go get educations for free, or at least just get your AA? I don't
Yeah.
really see a reason in getting a college degree unless you want to be like a doctor or a lawyer.
Yeah. I know. Yeah, I don't see. She's she just got a job making 75 an hour. So and she doesn't
Good
have
for
her
her.
degree yet. So
Good for her.
there's stuff that you can learn on the outside. Yeah, exactly. Especially now
What
with
does she do?
technology. She's doing so, and this is where I'm limited in my knowledge, but she's doing some kind of computer stuff where she actually got that job at a weed company. I guess weed is doing really well also. And
MJ,
so
MJ,
yeah.
MJ and YOLO
Yeah,
or
you've said
marijuana ETF?
yeah, yeah.
MJ and
I've
YOLO.
heard you say invest in that too. So it's funny because when they gave her the job, they gave her little like pens and stuff with the name. They gave her a mask with the name, and then they gave her a
Wait, since
bag of
you're in
weed.
LA and I'm in Orange County, can I get some of that? If she doesn't
Yeah,
use any of the product, can I get some?
they gave her some weed. I'm like, I've never been to a job where they give you a bag of weed when you leave. But that's
Yeah.
that's that's where we're at now. But yeah, so
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
still trying to get her degree, and she's found this job on the side already at that price. So it's definitely, there's so much to learn on outside of college that can really be profitable.
Yeah, but you can learn it all. What you're doing is really good. You're going on TikTok, you're experimenting, you're trying to learn,
Yeah.
and I think what you're doing is right. And if you want, let me know once you get your interactive broker set up. We can do a live stream if you want, and we can do some of your stock purchases
Yeah, that would be fun.
to make it easier. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
So, but definitely get that set up. And so,
Okay.
who are you using for your crypto to buy right now? What platform?
I have several because I know you can't get them all, right? Like here's something so simple. I cannot seem to buy XRP. I've been wanting to buy XRP for a while now, and
Coin.
I have Binance US, I have Voyager, I have what else do I have? Crypto.com. And anyway, when I go to buy XRP, a couple of them let me proceed, but then it says declined and it won't go through.
Yeah, you got to
So,
use KuCoin. You got to use
what do I got
KuCoin.
to use?
But I would just wait. I would just wait.
Oh, really?
KuCoin.
Okay,
Yeah,
two.
KU and then coin. You can click on my profile. I have KuCoin on my
Okay.
profile.
Okay.
But and you should be able to buy it on Binance, but maybe because you registered in America, that's why they don't allow you to buy it.
Yeah, it's Binance.us. And
Yeah, that's probably why. But I
okay,
once
yeah.
again, I wouldn't worry about the XRP if you don't own any Amazon, Facebook, Tesla,
Right. I
Apple,
need to go there
Microsoft.
first. Yeah.
Yeah, you need to start to add on all of those and then,
Okay.
do the crypto as well. So
I'm glad we talked today because today was a day where I could first do my transfers on Charles Schwab. So I'm seeing this. I'm not going to do it that way.
buy some Voyager Digital though on Charles Schwab, Voyager Digital. You
Okay.
use the platform too, right? You use it to buy your
Yeah.
crypto.
Yeah. Uh huh.
Have you
Yes.
put your dollars on there? I mean, why don't you put in like
No,
10 or 20 grand? Huh?
I haven't put my dollars in there. No, I know.
No, you get 9%. Here, I'll show
I
you.
know.
I put in like 2 grand and I got like $3 or $4. Hold on.
Oh, lost connection.
Okay.
There you go.
So look, I got $4 in interest. And I
Yeah,
wouldn't
that
put
is
all your
way
money,
better
but
than.
yeah, I was gonna say until you buy the stocks and maybe like as you go in, I would actually maybe put in 20, 30 grand and just collect
Okay.
the USD. And then
Yeah.
if there's a crash in crypto, you're already ready to buy it, right?
Yeah.
And then if not, just transfer some of that money and keep putting it into your interactive brokers to buy more stocks. But this is easy money and
Yeah.
it's relatively safe, but I wouldn't put in all your money. But
Yeah.
I mean, they paid me $100 in Bitcoin interest because that's 0.002 Bitcoin is, and then I got 14 Cardano.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
That's awesome. Yeah, I
but
need
yeah,
to do
definitely
that
try
too.
that. 'Cause
Have it sit there.
yeah, exactly. And it goes back and forth pretty quickly. Like when I do my transfers with my bank, I usually get the funds in 2 days because I bank with Wells Fargo and Bank of America, and
Okay.
like I get the money back and forth pretty quickly.
Okay. Gosh, I thought
But
you
yeah,
had said you hated. Maybe I'm confused. I thought you said you hated Bank of America. Maybe it wasn't you.
no,
You
I
have
mean
Bank.
I don't like it because they don't pay you any interest, but it's like you're forced to have them for now, right? Like
Yeah.
I don't like them, but
Yeah.
you have to have them for now. But my main thing is as I've gotten more comfortable with transferring my funds, I leave less and less money in B of A and I invest more and more, especially now that I have several apps where I know I can transfer the money and I'll get it in 2 days. So I'm
Yeah.
not worried about it.
And do you just have this platform?
What Voyager? No, I
TikTok?
use
No, TikTok.
oh
TikTok. Do you have
no.
Instagram
So I have a
and
YouTube. I have a
oh, you
YouTube
do
and
have
an
Instagram.
Instagram, but my YouTube, by the way, I'm going to be posting our video because you do ask good questions, but I post all my lives. If you miss them,
Oh,
I post on
okay.
my YouTube. So you can just go on
Oh, okay,
YouTube and I
nice.
have not all of my old lives, but some of my lives. So,
Oh,
but
nice.
yeah, I have a Charles Schwab. Someone asked me if I have a Charles Schwab. I use Charles Schwab to buy Voyager. So
Yeah.
I double down. I not only promote the Voyager for my crypto, but I also bought stocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then so people are asking, should I have the same portfolio on my M1 Finance as my Robinhood? It's totally up to you. My main thing is the the M1 Finance, they constantly like buy and sell because they give you pies. Have you used M1 Finance? Have you ever
Me,
used
no, I
it?
haven't used it. No.
Yeah, it's a little confusing. So just if anyone uses it, um, I don't know if I would want to have the exact same thing on my Robinhood. I would probably also invest in some different things in my Robinhood. And then you do pay fees if you buy XRP on KuCoin. You're gonna pay fees. They charge you like you have to send Bitcoin or Litecoin to KuCoin, and then you have to convert your Litecoin into Bitcoin, and then you use the Bitcoin to buy Ethereum.
Okay.
But I wouldn't worry about buying the XRP. I would worry about getting your
Yeah.
stocks first. And in the USDC coin, that's like guaranteed. I mean, it's easy money, right? You just collect your
Yeah.
9% until you
Yeah,
start buying the other
exactly.
stuff.
I put some Ethereum in Blockify because again, you said
That's good.
to use that.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I
good
have
for
that
you.
in there.
When did you buy Ethereum? How long ago did you buy it? Good
No,
for
I'm
you.
new. Yeah, no, this year. I'm not
Still, it's
I'm
gone up a
learning.
lot, right? Isn't it
Yeah,
gone up
yeah,
a
it's
lot?
gone up. Exactly. And I bought a
Okay.
small, like see now that I'm learning, I'll want to invest more here and there. Everything was just small investments just to see what would happen.
Yeah, no, that's good, man. So this is the main reason. So I'm really happy to hear about all of this because like that's the main reason I started this TikTok is to just kind of put your foot in the door and then, just give it time and
Yeah.
like I wouldn't just have one guru, right? Like, I have my
Right.
opinions, but the more people you go into, the more live streams, listen to everyone, get everyone's opinions and just see what
Yeah.
works for you. And
Yeah.
the main thing is that you started, and I believe, give yourself like 4 or 5 years, but you can do some really, really big things. And
Yeah.
I believe in you. I think in 10 years you could easily have maybe 100, maybe even $1 million in your crypto and
That would be
stock
nice.
account. Yeah.
That would be nice.
But yeah, I would be buying Tesla. Someone's like, Tesla's down right now. Should I buy? I would buy, but
Yeah.
buy slowly. Like today, I bought maybe like $100 of Tesla, and if it goes down more, I buy another 100, $200. Like I don't just put $1,000 into Tesla all at once. I buy slowly.
Do you have anything automatic when you buy? Are any of your purchases on an automatic buy?
I just do limits. Have you ever done a
Oh,
limit order?
limits.
So you set a price. So like if Tesla goes, so I set a limit. If Tesla goes below $600, it automatically executes. It buys something. I did some with Apple. Like if Apple goes under 125 bucks, I'll buy some Apple. Um, if what is it? Amazon goes. I mean, it's not going to hit. I have one for Amazon if it goes under 3,000, but that's probably not going to happen anytime soon. But what I do is those orders are usually like larger purchases, and then like because like when I wake up in the morning, what I do is if it crashes, I buy a lot, but then since it's at a high price, like for example, Google, I've just been buying $25 at Google because like Google's price kept going
Yeah.
up, 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 up. And then if it goes below 2,000, like I'll buy like 500 or 600, but it probably won't go below 2,000 again. But if it does, I'm ready to buy it. If not, I just keep buying like $25 every once in a while.
Yeah, okay. And do you go into any Discord? Um,
I don't. I know some people do. Are those free? If you can get into Discord for free,
I think
do
they're
it.
free. I think they're free.
Have you ever done it
Yeah.
then? Have you done
I'm
it?
about to. There's this one guy I was really interested that I was listening to yesterday, and he said he has a Discord for free, and then he also mentioned I'd never heard this one, Patron. I guess it's another I don't know exactly what it is if anyone out there knows Patron. I think
Here we
you
go.
pay a
Marlo.
fee.
So, Marlo Brown 1 has a free Discord with 3,500 members.
Yeah.
Marlo Brown 1.
Does anyone know Patron? I just heard about Patron. I guess it seems like
Yeah,
that one
Patreon, you
you
pay
might
for
pay.
it. You have
Oh,
to
okay,
pay
that
for
one
it.
you
Yeah,
pay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I would keep doing the free stuff. I would stick
Yeah.
to the free stuff. Just because most of the pay stuff is usually just like kind of like more of a cult. And then you get into cult group think because you should always think, but that's the truth. It's like, like anything some guru says could be wrong, right? Like no one has a crystal ball, no one has the future. And that's why
Yeah.
I would rather you go listen to 10 free ones than just pay
Right.
for two. You know what I mean? Because you're paying for only two people's perspectives when you can get 10 people's perspectives. And the
Yeah.
more you do it, the better you are. King of the South, what's up? Yeah, I like that. Hey, Marlo Brown, if you're available, do you want to come on? Because I want to talk about his Discord. Is that
Oh,
okay if I have
awesome.
him come on?
Yeah, of
Let me
course.
see.
Now, but guide me here. I just go back to me and I say end live, right?
Yeah, you just end the live, you come back on the live stream, and then you'll be able to see Marlo
Oh,
Brown.
yeah.
And
Okay.
I'm gonna invite him. I'll bring him on here, and then he's got a Discord, so maybe that's one of the Discords you check out. And then you
Yeah,
got to
that'd
come
be
back and let
fun.
me know. Okay?
Thanks,
But let's
Cena.
keep
Thanks for
doing
everything.
live together. No, and let's
Yeah,
keep doing
yeah,
this,
for
right?
sure.
Like every once in a while, like, yeah, just keep me in because for me, I get really repetitive. So I would rather use this time to help new people get them set up, get your interactive
Yeah.
broker set up, get some of those stocks in, and stuff like that. I would love to help you, just, walk you through it if you need the
Yeah,
help.
I'm ready to do that. So we'll talk. It was nice talking to you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Okay, bye. You have to leave this live stream and you have to go live yourself. Have you ever gone live, Marlo Brown one? If not, it's just where you go to post content, you click the plus button, and then there should be like a camera option. You scroll past the camera option, and there's a live option. And then once you go live, you can invite me or I can invite you. Yeah, you're going to have to leave the live stream, Marlo. Leave the live stream, and then you're going to have to go live yourself. How old am I? I'm 34. Hopefully we can get Marlo on. So I made money on Dogecoin. I bought $100 of Dogecoin. I sold, and I have like 36 Dogecoins left. I got my $100 back. What stocks do I recommend today? I like all the chip manufacturers. I like AMD. I like Nvidia. It's still kind of pricey, and I like Taiwan Semiconductor. So those are three stocks, and then ARK is cheap right now. ARKK. Hopefully Marlin will go live, and I can invite him. Is Marlin live? Sure. If you want to come live, you can. Party Finance, if you want to invite me, let me know and we can see your rentals. Do I run any business? I sold a medical diagnostic company. I had a medical diagnostic company. We do toxicology and MRIs. And believe it or not, the guy we bought our MRIs from, he was my first real estate investor. So I had some good luck right there. The first person we did business with. All right, hopefully either Party Finance or Marlon Brown will invite me and they will go live. She's still live. Jess. Jess is hilarious. For investing long term, I like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then you can probably do. Oh, here we go.
What's up?
All right. Is this like a rental property you own?
Yeah, it is. It's actually getting rented out in 2 days. So I
Okay.
gotta come change this fan. Show it downstairs. So I got this about 2 years ago for 190.
Wow, 190 grand.
Yeah, and it's worth about like 450 now.
Oh my God.
Like current market condition.
This has been so you basically 2x your money, right? And there's a
Yeah.
pool.
Yep. Well, whatever office something.
I still can't believe you got doubled your money in 2 years. You bought it in 2018.
Yeah, 2018.
Wow. Dude, I need to get into the real estate market in Texas. That's crazy.
Yeah, this was a good flip.
Wait, you flipped? You turned it into rentals though, right? You bought
Well,
it and made it
rental,
not a
but
rental property.
still keeping it.
You guys bought really nice appliances for a rental. I would have never bought
Actually,
that
that's a
nice.
previous renter. He just left that and the fridge. So it's a come up.
Wow, dude. Wow, I need to get more renters like you that just leave high-end appliances like that. Did you have any damage from the storm or no?
Not
Like
here.
freezing?
No.
Did it freeze though or no for you guys?
Yeah, we had like our power shut down for about a week. So
But okay. Wow, that's crazy. And so what is this rent for, this property?
about 2,600 a month.
Wow. And you paid 190? That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, get me in on your next deal, man. Shoot, man. You can't get deals like that in California. And the rent is
Yeah,
really good. 2,600? That is crazy.
it's really good.
So we got a hungry visionary wants to invest. He wants to get in on a deal.
Trying to find one.
Yeah.
The old school
Hungry
windows.
visionary, if you know how to go live, come on a live after this. Let's talk.
All right, I actually got to run to Home Depot, get some stuff. So I'll let you go.
Okay, well, thank you for showing us your rental property, and I still cannot believe how good of a deal this is. I still can't believe you paid under 200K. That's
Yeah.
ridiculous. Dude, you know how to find good deals. All right, thank you, Party Finance.
Yep. Take care.
Bye. All right, give me a second. I'm going to turn on and off the app. All right, Hungry Visionaries, do you want to come on the live stream and talk? And also, what's his name? Marlon Brown, both of them. Let me know if you want to talk. I went ahead and followed you. You guys are getting robbed in California. That's true, man. If you can find real estate deals like that in Texas, like I am getting robbed. I do feel like I'm being robbed. Hey guys, I'm new to crypto. I'm trying to figure out how to get interest on my cryptocurrency. Okay, if you're trying to get interest on your cryptocurrency, I'm going to help you. You want to use this platform. Check out Voyager Digital. You can go to the App Store and download it. Just put in Voyager and just use my code CIN849. Best apps. Well, I would definitely do both of these. I would do Blockify. That's my referral code E2B5089B. And then you can do this one. And then if you click on my profile link, I have Interactive Brokers as the stock one. So I would definitely consider Interactive Brokers. You can also use Robinhood, but Interactive Brokers is better. Huh. Sinister, we need to buy some $60,000 homes that you can rent out for $900 a month. How did you begin? I'm in San Diego and I'd like mentorship. Yeah, dude. If you hopefully you can get 1,000 followers, you can come on my live stream. If you're 17, you got a year to get to 1,000 followers, and then you can come to my live stream. And yeah, I mean, feel free. I would love to mentor everyone. I don't know if I would transfer on Voyager. What I would do is leave your crypto on that exchange. What I would do is just if you want to buy more crypto, go on Voyager and check it out. Your first $100, you get $25 of free Bitcoin. But if you're going to buy more crypto, just start buying it on Voyager because you don't have to pay fees. But transferring your crypto is kind of a pain, and there's also fees associated to transfer your crypto. So I would just leave it on whatever exchange you have, and just if you buy new crypto, use Voyager. What's Blockify? I have it on. No, that's actually not a bad like Blockify. What is it? Robinhood's not a bad place to have your crypto. Would you like to come on the live stream, Rachel? You You actually have 1,000 followers, so if you want to come on a live stream, we can talk and I can try to help you out. Yeah, anyone here that has 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can come on my live stream and we can do a dual live stream. How do I get interest? So you have to use KuCoin. King, if you really want to get interest on your XRP, you have to use KuCoin. Click on my profile link and then download or sign up for KuCoin and you can get interest on your XRP. It's KU coin. Nice. You bought Dogecoin at 0.03. Good for you. Okay, cool. So you just have to go live, Rachel. I think we're friends now. Go live and then I can invite you. You just hit the camera button, the post button, the what is it? The cross. You hit that and then you hit the go live and then I'll invite you. You definitely sound like a colonizer when you diminish racism in the US. No, dude, what I want people to know is that we have racism in the US. It's really bad, but the problem is people never leave America. So, and I actually got kicked off for saying this, but like, dude, you need to go to different countries. There's really, really bad. Like Europe is way more racist. If you go to Asia, it's way more racist. So that doesn't give you like, it doesn't give America a pass. You're totally right. We have racial issues, but if you're gonna be upset about America, you also have to hold these other countries to the same standard. And these other countries are actually way worse, and they get away with it. So, for example, they're super racist against Muslims in China. I don't want to say this because I don't want to get kicked off, but there's just really, really bad racism all over the world. And there's other countries. I don't want to even name drop because I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, Rachel, let's do the live stream because I don't want to talk about race stuff. Who's giving out free money? Yeah, no, that's okay. Rachel, you got to leave the live stream and go live yourself, and then I can invite you. I went to Vietnam and they hated me, and I'm Vietnamese. Okay, well, anyways, let's all hope that America gets better, right? I think we can all agree that we need to do a better job, and hopefully, it's up to the younger generation to get rid of it, right? I truly, really hope that, we can fight and get rid of it. Yeah, exactly. We need to fight to get rid of it in America and then get rid of it in the rest of the world. Did Rachel go live? What about companies that mine Bitcoin? Yeah, you can. Rachel, you got to leave this live stream. Leave this live stream and go live yourself on your account. Other countries act like gods. Yeah, but dude, I don't want to talk about this because, there's two sides to this and I agree with both sides, but I think every American agrees that we don't want racism, right? Like, there's maybe the 1% crazy people. You can use a green screen. If your background is chaotic, you can just use a green screen to hide it. Or if you want, just have your camera like face the wall and then just talk so it's only your voice. If you don't want to actually show your face, you can even just cover the camera. Yeah, exactly. Let's not ruin it. Exactly. But I think if you have the ability to invest in companies that address this, I think that's a great way to do it. So like, I don't know, if there's a company that does like a really good job of hiring the right executives and stuff like that. You sound like a man. It's okay. You can be like, "Hey, I'm Rachel." But let's discuss slamming Cadillac doors. I want to talk about Section 8. I would love to get Sinister Chaos on here. I would diversify. If you're up 500% on your Bitcoin and Ethereum, just diversify. I wouldn't sell any of my Bitcoin or Ethereum, but I would start buying maybe stocks and other stuff. No, I've never heard of the MEE. No, Cash App is not a bad idea to buy. Let's see if Nickel Kelly has enough followers. Oops. Yeah. If you use Cash App to buy your stocks in crypto, it's a good way to start, but eventually you want to move to Voyager or Blockify so you can get interest. But Cash App is a good way to start. If you've never invested and you have no clue what you're doing, Cash App is pretty easy, and you can invest as little as like $1. Ethereum Classic is the old Ethereum that got hacked. So I definitely would not buy Ethereum Classic because it can get hacked again. What would I buy today? I bought Airbnb was down, so I bought some Airbnb. I bought a lot of the chip makers, AMD, Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, Tesla. Yeah, if I had XRP, I would move it all to KuCoin so I can get interest on my XRP. I don't really like Ethereum Classic. So what's the word on ETH 2.0? And I know that Coinbase will pay you 7.5%, but I don't think it's the actual Ethereum yet, right? I don't understand how that works. Because I don't understand why they would pay 7.5% unless it's like a fork and they're trying to give you like a new currency. Should I transfer all my XRP to other platforms? Yeah. Yeah, that's really interesting. And 7.5 is really enticing. That's really, really enticing. So if you have a Coinbase and you have Ethereum, I would try it. Do I recommend smaller coins? Yeah, here. I will show you the smaller coins I like. Hey, I love this photo. Does he look like me? This is who I'm named after. This guy. Does he look like me? But instead of being a physician, I'm an investor, so I talk about stocks. Right? He looks a lot like me, right? I just need a turban. Dude, you guys, when I go bald, because I am going to go bald, I'm going to wear a turban on my live streams. Oh, dude, Mr. Old Boy, I would love for you to come on. If you are available to live stream you should be able to do it from the Costco line. Yeah, I've been waiting too to do the Ethereum 2.0. So here, let me do the older coins. Hold on, let me show you the other coins I like. Okay, so if I was going to invest in other altcoins, I like Polkadot. You could also do Litecoin. I like Chainlink. I like Cardano, and Ethereum's at the bottom of the list. Okay, when you get out of line, let's do a live stream. I'll wait for you because I should go to the gym right now, but I will defer my gym workout so I can talk to Mr. Old Boy. Dogecoin. Hey, didn't you buy a bunch? I feel like Mr. Old Boy bought a bunch of Dogecoin, right? Yeah, guys, you guys want to see a little crypto flex? I'll do a little crypto flex because Mr. Old Boy's in the chat. Let me show you guys. Look how much Blockify has paid me in interest. $5,000 of interest. Look how much my Ethereum. And I literally invested 13 grand. This was the best $13,000 I've ever invested. Yeah, dude. To the moon, baby. To the moon. So I'm not selling either. Look, I just sit around and collect interest on it. It's freaking crazy. But I wouldn't be buying Ethereum. I'd be buying Bitcoin because I feel like Bitcoin's undervalued right now. I'd be adding to my Bitcoin. Yeah, man. Can you explain it again? I just joined. Okay, here, we're going to make it easy. What you need to do is you need to get a Blockify and a Voyager. And the code for Voyager is CIN849. And if you buy $100 worth, you get $25 of Bitcoin. Stream my workout? No, I'm not going to stream my workout. Would you only buy Ethereum on BlockFi? No, I would also use Voyager. Voyager pays a little higher interest because this pays you 4.5%. Voyager pays you 5.25%, so you get 0.5 more. How much did I invest in Litecoin? I think my average Litecoin is like $90, $70. So I think I got a three banger. I'm like 300% up on my Litecoin, maybe 400%. Oh yeah, Gemini too. If you guys need a Gemini, click on Sinister Chaos's profile. You can use his sign up link. Dude, and we need to get Sinister to 1,000 followers. Can you guys also follow Sinister Chaos? We need to get him to 1,000 followers so he can come on my live stream. Jess is still live. That's crazy. Gemini is very user friendly. I dig it. Okay, but Sinister, you need to get on Voyager. I still need to get Sinister on Voyager. Convince him to get on Voyager Digital. Well, that's a bust. I was really hoping that someone else would come in. I was hoping someone else would come in this live stream. Does anyone here? There's 30 people in this live stream. Does anyone have more than 1,000 followers? No, you don't transfer Sinister. You leave what you have on Gemini. What you do is you open up another Voyager account and then you start to put in your own like new investments. There we go. I love Bitcoin. Yeah, buddy. Can you go live? I gave almost 6K. Can you go live right now? I love Bitcoin. I just added you. Yep, I just added you too, April. Go live and invite me. If you guys go live, you can invite me and we can do a dual live. Do it. I'm waiting for you guys. Come on this live stream. Yeah, then I would move it. Sinister, just get your Voyager set up and you can call me. I'll show you how to move your Ethereum. But to be honest, you better have more than one Ethereum. If you don't have more than one Ethereum, just start over and just save up. But yeah, hopefully I love Bitcoin or April Sweet 09. One of them. Oh, you can't go live. Okay. Well, in the future, if you're available, let me know. You have 15 Ethereum? Dude, you need to get it on freaking Voyager, man. But then again, hello. Dude, I love your name, by the way. I love your
Thanks, man.
name. I love Bitcoin.
I'm changing it to Bitcoin Collector.
Okay. I want to change mine to YOLO Bitcoin.
So
So
I
just
want to
introduce
know,
yourself.
are we live right now?
Yeah, we're live. So just introduce yourself to the audience.
Awesome.
Like, let them know.
My name's Kyle Devine. I earn Bitcoin, like literally. Yeah, I got into crypto in December. I've always been online. I got into crypto, and I'm like, this shit's crazy, man. Love this shit. Super addicted to it, and I want to know how the hell did you how'd you get $1 million loan from a bank in China?
Oh, dude, that's a great story. And what's great is I got 200 grand. So I had to use 600 grand to pay off debts. I had 200 more grand I used to buy more real estate. And then I had 200 grand. I put about half of it into stocks and half of it into crypto. So I put about 100 grand in stocks, 100 grand in crypto. And I'm really glad I did because I got the loan in March. And so I did
Yeah,
get some Ethereum. I didn't get that much, but I bought some other currencies as well. Now, let me ask you this too. What state are you in?
I'm in New York.
You can get a Chinese loan, man. Here, I
Seriously?
will actually. Yeah. You need to have real
Hmm.
estate though. Do you have real estate or no? You can take down the number in the
Uh,
future.
I got digital real estate, crypto. No,
But here, if
I
anyone's
mean,
in New York and they want the ICBC number, it's 212-238-8208. But
yeah.
so what
I
got
don't
you
have a
into
pen.
crypto?
Yeah.
I can message it to you. You know what?
Yeah,
Hold on.
message
Let me
it.
take a picture. I'll take a picture and I'll make it my background. Hold on one second. Isn't
Yeah.
that what you can the background?
No, that's
Yeah,
dope. Because I mean,
people love. All right, one sec.
yeah, like, hey, what's up, Gabs? Yeah, I don't go live much on TikTok. I'm gonna start getting live on TikTok. I built my following on Facebook. Like, I built my businesses off Facebook, and I don't know. I've always been in like health and wellness, and like I'm a network marketer, you know, and then I got introduced to crypto, and I'm like, man, I just fell in love
Glad.
with it. I've not.
Welcome. I'm
It's
glad.
amazing stuff, and that, yeah, so it's
Who
a
do you
great
use?
journey. It's what?
Who do you use to buy your crypto? What exchanges do you use to buy your crypto?
Well, I'm in New York, so unfortunately, the only place I can really buy crypto is Coinbase or Cash App. I buy my Bitcoin on Cash App. I send it to other places like SafePal, and then I swap it over, do pancake swaps, stuff like that.
So if you buy it on Cash App, you can take it off the platform?
Yes, Cash
Oh,
App.
I didn't know that. That's really cool. So if
It's
you
so
buy
easy because
Cash App,
yeah, what? Yeah,
Cash App, you can take. Okay,
your
that's really cool.
Bitcoin.
I
Yeah,
didn't know that.
Cash App sends so quick, like off Cash App too. It's awesome.
So
So
that's some really good information. I appreciate you coming on there. Let everyone know.
yeah,
So yeah, you guys, if you do Cash App, you can take it off. But what about your other platform? Coinbase, you can also take it off, right? You've done
yeah,
that.
Coinbase you can send it to. Yeah, yeah. I always tell people, man. Like, I mean, I'm new to crypto, but I'm like,
Don't you
so
get a
many
better
people
deal on
don't.
Cash App because there's no fees? Isn't it a
Well,
better
there is
deal than
fees.
Coinbase?
There are fees, but like, yeah, there's fees. When I hate selling crypto. I don't ever sell crypto. Like, oh man, when people like they want to sell their crypto, I'm like, don't, dude. If anything, just keep on racking up, and then take a loan out, man. Borrow against it. The margin
BlockFi.
loans and yeah,
Well,
BlockFi,
margin
freaking
your stocks
Coinbase
though.
does what?
You need that's why I would diversify. If you have more than 10,000 in crypto, you need to get 10,000 in stocks. You know, if you're working on your first 10,000, you can YOLO only crypto.
Oh,
But I
I have a
really
lot
feel
more
like
than
you
ten
should.
thousand
Oh
in three
wow.
months because I got it a safe moon too. I don't know if you got a safe moon,
Yeah,
but
so
I
many
got.
people, dude. My dentist got into Safe Moon. He turned
I
$1,000
like
into 10 grand, and his dental assistant turned 3 grand into 50 grand.
I like safe moon. Like it's not even like it was like
But you're
it was like
profiting off of other people losing money. I mean, at the end of the day, it's going to be like BitConnect, where like whoever holds it will lose
I don't
100%.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Like I follow that project so much. I know like the CTO because I know some people like I
Are they
made
based in
connections in
America?
crypto.
Are they
What?
based in America? Is the CTO
I'm not
based in America?
the
You can't
CTO.
sue them. Yeah, is he in
The
America?
CTO.
Safe Moon.
I don't know where he's based, but what I do know is the CTO and the CEO both they both were employees of Department of Defense. So they're known people. They ain't just gonna their names are out there.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
And so
Like
they're in America. You can look them up. They're on America. They have like a LinkedIn or a Facebook and all that stuff.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Well, at
I
least
know
you don't want to
I
sue.
know well I
VicConnect
know the
is
CEO John, he does live in the UK, but I know like I mean they were just in Miami. Like they were just in Miami. Like the CTO was just in Miami and stuff. Like I have huge belief in that project, man. Like they just passed like
keep
the
making money.
certic.
Keep making
Yeah,
money. Then
I'm
I'm not.
hodling, bro. I am hodling. I'm telling you, I have a few thousand in there, and I did the math. It hits a half a penny. And I'm telling you, it's going to. I have like 10 million from it, like something like that.
You have 10 million of Safe Moon.
No, I'll have $10 million from SafeMoon. I have a couple billion in SafeMoon, a couple billion coins.
No. I know. Yeah. Well, just take some of
Yeah.
that profit. If you
Oh,
want
I'm
any
going. Of
advice from
course,
me,
take profit.
take some
Put
of
it in
that
Bitcoin.
profit. Buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum. Buy some Bitcoin and
That's
Ethereum.
what I'm doing.
Like
No, I'm putting
you
it
should
in the
always have.
Bitcoin.
If
Yeah.
you have, let's just say $100 of Safe Moon. Let's just say you have $100 of Safe Moon. You should have $100 of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if your Safe Moon becomes $200, you need to have $200 of Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's the only
Yeah.
advice I'll give.
Diversify.
And by the way, you see
No,
the
no,
number
no.
now
I get it. And
for the Chinese bank?
what?
You see the number? You see that? It's
Yeah.
212.
Yeah.
See it? Okay.
Yeah, hold
Look
on,
at
put
my
your head down real
background.
quick. I'm gonna screenshot it.
Yeah, go ahead, screenshot it.
Done. Sweet. Yeah, like
Okay, so one
no
of my
man,
commenters
that's
says, Sinister Chaos says, I think Safe Moon is going to crash. What do you say to him?
I mean, that's fine. Like that's fine.
Did
I
you
I
take
don't I
profits?
that, what?
Have you taken profits though? Have you taken any profits, or you've only put money in?
Yeah, I took a little bit of profits, but I didn't take out a lot. But what? Because here's how I look at it. We live in a world where things go off trend, things go off of like it's the people, man. If people give something value, it has value. SafeMoon has literally almost has 1.6 million wallet holders in 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
Think about that.
Mm-hmm.
Think about that.
But
Like
what
that's
technology does
insane.
Safe Moon have other than if you buy it, it goes up, right?
Okay,
What's the
so
difference
that's
between?
that's a great question. That's a great question. So the SafeMoon is coming out with their own exchange, okay? And everybody comes out with their own exchange. We get that. We know that, right? That's what these coins do. But there's a difference between SafeMoon and other exchanges, okay? SafeMoon came out with tokenomics. I don't know if that's been a thing, but they're integrating it into every single crypto on their platform. So you come in, you buy Bitcoin on their platform, you be a whale, what I call douchebags, even though we do need whales, and you sell, you get taxed. Guess what? The people that are holding Bitcoin on their SafeMoon exchange get free Bitcoin tokens for being a part of it and not selling. Every
Nice.
single crypto. So that's going to be that they're going to have tokenomics for every crypto on their exchange. When that happens, I am telling you, mark my words. I'm not like some super guru genius, but every other exchange is going to have to follow suit or they're going to be left behind. It's innovation.
Okay.
Think about it,
Okay.
man.
Well, this is why I love doing live streams because, to be honest, I could be wrong. You could be totally right about SafeMoon if they open up this exchange. So once again, I mean, I don't want to be the Charlie Munger, right? The old guy, like, oh,
Yeah.
the Bitcoin is bad.
No,
You know, like
I'm that
you could be
guy. I'm that
totally
guy.
right
I'm
about
like
SafeMoon.
100% Bitcoin. Like, but I fell in love with this, and I'm like, I see it. Like, I see it, and I'm like, and then obviously the Safe Moon, you're gonna need those tokens to make exchanges, etc. Just like BNB.
Yeah.
You see?
Well, all I gotta say is you hold on to that SafeMoon, but just take a
Oh,
little
baby.
bit of your profit. Take a little bit of your profits
Always
and
take
just make sure.
profits.
Well, just make sure that you don't have like 100 SafeMoon and you only have 10 Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Like,
Yeah.
I just hope that your
Oh yeah.
Bitcoin and
Yeah.
Ethereum holdings try to stay in the 50-50 range, or at least, I don't know, like, just don't let your SafeMoon double your Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't let
Yeah.
your Bitcoin
Here,
and
here.
Ethereum. Go ahead.
No. Here's
What's
how
Safe?
I look at it.
You heard of Safe
What?
Galaxy? Have you heard of Safe
Yeah, I
Galaxy?
heard of those. I mean, I think I'm going to be honest, and that's again, this is me just talking. I think a lot of these now are starting to try to be copycats of SafeMoon, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's my opinion. But again, I'm also, I mean, at the end of the day, it's all opinions. I don't even think we can speculate anymore in crypto. I'm like, we all think we can, but like, shit's crazy. Like, look at Dogecoin right now. Like,
So people are
like,
asking me what's the best platform to buy. You can't buy because I think you're in New York, but I recommend Voyager Digital because if you buy $100, they'll give you $25 of free Bitcoin, and then also check out BlockFi. Um,
yeah,
you
I'm,
can
I'm, I'm
buy.
in New York. It's so crappy for me. Like,
Yeah. What do you think of VeChain? Have you heard of VeChain?
I like VeChain. I'm gonna get into VeChain pretty good too. I like
You can buy it
VeChain.
on Voyager,
I
but I don't know if
I
you can
tell my
qualify for
friends
Voyager.
Cardano. I think Cardano, like I think in my opinion, man, like so many of these cryptos, if you're new to crypto, just get into crypto. I always tell people start with Bitcoin and then just get into
And
cryptos. Like,
Ethereum. I think
yeah,
everyone needs to have a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you can do whatever coins you want.
because because like Bitcoin and Ethereum is like the comfort zone. Like you're comfortable, like that's going to go up. You know what I mean? We're
You don't take
comfortable
as
with
much
that.
risk, right? When you do Safe
Yeah.
Moon or the smaller coins, you're taking more
Yeah,
risk.
you're
You're going to
always
get
taking
more
a risk.
return, but there's a lot less risk. There's not a lot of risk in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Like it's
Exactly.
like
And
it's
and
the same
that's
risk
how
of
I look
buying
at it. I'm
Apple or
like,
Amazon. Like there's risk in buying Apple and Amazon, but there's not a lot of risk.
here's really how I look at it, and I don't know if you agree, but like altcoins and all these other coins, they can make you rich, like mega rich. But like Bitcoin will make you wealthy. Like if you take that rich money and put it into those, you will become wealthy for life and for the next generation. You know what I mean? That's how I look at it.
Yeah, that's a great quote right there. I like that. I might have to make a TikTok clip out of that. I might steal this live
Yeah,
stream and put you on my TikTok and make a quote out of that one.
yeah, man. No,
You're
like,
right, dude.
and like it is, and I really like. I mean, I really believe this. I'm like,
Yeah,
any
and I
cryptos,
appreciate
like,
you
there's
coming on
gonna.
my live stream because you're actually one
What'd
of
you
the
say?
only people that like SafeMoon, and that's why I want you to keep coming back because we do. I want to have
Yeah.
everything. I don't want to be biased because pretty much everyone that comes on here, they're like, "Oh, SafeMoon's a scam." So you know what? I want you to come here. You can defend SafeMoon, and if it
No,
keeps going to the moon,
I
you
do.
just be like, "I
And
told you
here's the
so."
deal: is like, no, and the thing is I do. My like when I got into crypto, I'm like, I'm only gonna be Bitcoin. I don't. Ew, these other shit coins, poo coin, like, ew. But I'm like, dude, like I really do some real intense like research and stuff, and I follow the SafeMoon like to a T. I follow every single thing that they do. Like no joke. Like I have a friend named Blockchain Wayne, and he his company just threw the Miami Crypto Expo and
Okay.
whatnot. Like yeah. So
When is
I
that,
made
by the
friends
way?
with my
When is
face.
that? We should go.
What?
You and I should go. When is
Yeah.
the Miami Crypto Expo? When is it?
Well, the Crypto Expo already happened, but they're having the Bitcoin one coming up. He invites me
When?
all the time. I'll
I
look
want
at
to
it
go
and
to
send you
Miami.
the
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's
yeah.
go.
So
I want to go to
let's
Miami.
go. Um. So what I was saying is I talked to him about SafeMoon, and he said he really likes it. He said he's personally good friends with the CTO, Jeremy, and he said Jeremy is a very, very respected individual in the IT world. Very highly respected. Like highly respected. Like
Okay.
he
Anyways,
emphasized like very well known.
someone
What?
asked me, do you go live regularly? I do. I usually go live in the morning once and one in the evening. And now that we're friends, dude, I want you to come back so we can definitely talk crypto because
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna definitely start getting like more active on TikTok. Like I literally like I just started getting to I just started realizing if I take like a back like a picture of like some crypto news, like the Gary V NFT thing or like Safe Moon stuff like that, and if I put it in my back and I just say something like my little opinion, mad people start watching that video, and then I start getting a bunch of followers, and
yep.
so I'm starting to build it
Yep.
up a little bit because I want crypto followers because obviously I get paid Bitcoin from home, like that's what I do, so I'm like so that's my market is crypto people, and so yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'll definitely go live, man, for sure. I go live all the time. I go live on my Facebook. I've done a live video every day for 2 years straight.
So can we do Facebook Live together? Can I do this with you on Facebook sometime?
Yeah, bro. I would. Yeah, if you got
How do you do
Facebook,
it? Like, do you have to be we have to be Facebook friends, or how does that work to do it?
yeah, we gotta be Facebook friends. I don't think we can do it. I don't know. I'm not like that techie. I don't
Okay.
know like how to put a TikTok on the Facebook, like a TikTok live on Facebook.
Well, by the way, I put all of my live streams on my YouTube. So if you
Oh,
want
okay,
any of your
cool.
content, let me know because I can send it to you, or I think you can download it off of YouTube. And so if you want to make clips of
Yeah.
this or whatever, I all my stuff is free. So just take it. You
Yeah, I
can
just
chop it up.
Yeah, no, that's cool. I mean, that's what I do. So like I actually have like a business, but at the same time we have like a Facebook group we just created like I don't know, 4 days ago we already have 400 people in it. Like just throwing
Wow,
out crypto value. Like we gave out like $400 in um Verge, like the Verge coin.
I've heard of
Like we
Verge.
just
I've heard
give
of
out
Verge.
crypto to people just because we want to bless them, you know what I'm saying? And just like
Okay.
share now
So you
like
guys want free
a safe zone
crypto?
because
Follow your
what?
boy. Or I gotta point this direction.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if you want free crypto, follow your boy.
Yeah, but
He's
like
giving you free
yeah, no,
Bitcoin.
straight up, like, cause I don't know about you, but as soon as I got in this space, I noticed a couple of things. Is like every single crypto group on the internet, on Facebook especially, like as soon as you comment, there's 5,000 people that comment underneath with a Telegram link or like, you know what I'm saying, or or they'll go in your inbox and like they have one picture and 5 friends and they just open up a Facebook account and they're all spam and like we don't want that. So we're like, we want to make we really want to bring crypto to the world, man. Like it ain't just about me getting rich, it's about the whole world having the opportunity to take advantage of that. That's because we are
Where's
the
your
pioneers
bracelet?
and like yeah, we're the pioneers, man. We all deserve to eat because shit, dude. Growing up, like money has been the biggest struggle. I came from dirt poor, like poverty, and I'm like, money shouldn't be a struggle. So then when I found this crypto stuff, I'm like, Bitcoin is hope. Bitcoin is hope. Like that's it. Bitcoin is hope. Bitcoin is just like it's literally a global protest against corrupt banking systems and government. That's how I look at it.
What does your bracelet say? People are asking. You have a bracelet?
Oh, this says rank makers. I'm in a group on Facebook for like there's like 17,000 different online business owners in it. And yeah, that's my mentor, Ray Higdon. Like, I mean, yeah. If anybody's like an online business builder, they probably know who he is. But
And then, so we
yeah,
got another
so
question here. So our buddy says, I'm gonna put all my money into Dogecoin. What do you think? Should someone put all their money into Dogecoin?
that's so hard for me because like I, it's hard for me to believe in things, but like the Dogecoin is definitely like it's very unique because it's like even Elon Musk said it though. Like fate loves irony and like people are like, oh, it's a meme, but like really do we really know what it's doing? Is it just hype right now or is it really gonna be a thing? Do you know what I mean? So I don't have
Yeah.
nothing in Doge, but I really have thought about it and contemplated. I'm like, ugh. So I wouldn't do it now if I was him. I'd never buy in the high, man. You always let it dip. It's going dip. It has to dip.
So have you
But
ever bought any classes? Is there any classes you bought online that you recommend?
no, I have never bought any classes. I mean, I am on a
Why
platform
is there
that
so
I
many
literally
people
have
on
like
TikTok selling classes? Like, why is there so many like millionaires on TikTok selling classes?
because
Do
it's
they not
easy
make
money.
millions? Huh?
It's easy money. It's easy money. If you have a following, no, like seriously, if you have a following and you like, that's it. Like it's easy. It's easy
Okay.
money. But the thing is
So I'm making a
classes
promise
are
to
good.
my followers. I make a promise to my followers right now. I don't care if I have 1 million followers, 1 billion followers. I'm never going to sell classes. All my content's going to be free. I'm not a sellout like the suits. I'm always going
Yeah,
to be
but
free
like
content.
no, I mean here's what I'm a little debatable about that. Just because I've been in the online space and I've paid for coaches. Like I've had coaches coach me how to build
Okay.
business stuff like that online. What I do like about charging people for courses is when you have money in the game, you take things more serious.
That's
Like
true.
you're more like it's accountability. So it's really like, are they just making money off people, or do they actually care and want to see people win? So when you actually care and want to see people win, they take things more serious. Unfortunately, when you put money in it, that's how the world runs. You know. So
Okay.
that's my
What I say is take that money and buy Bitcoin. So if you're going to pay $500 for a class, put into Bitcoin or put into Ethereum, and hopefully that
that's good.
motivates
Like
you. But if you need the motivation of a class, then here, follow him. Or you're not selling classes right now, right? You don't do that.
no,
Maybe in the
I don't
future.
sell classes.
Okay.
I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't no, because I mean I like to build. I like to build like a team. Like I'm a team builder. I like to have people on my team like lead people. I like to do that. So, I mean, I don't see me ever selling classes in the future. I see me on stages writing books. 'Cause I mean that's where I want to be. I want to be like a motivational speaker. But I also don't believe that people need motivation in life. I think that motivation is inside of us. I don't think that, I think I can inspire you, but I can't motivate you. Motivation, you got to dig deep and get that shit right out of you. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Quick question. How high do you think Bitcoin will be in 5 years and Ethereum in 5 years? Give me some price predictions.
man, price
And I guess Safe
predictions. Okay.
Moon.
So,
Give me Safe Moon too while we're at
all
it,
right.
since you love Safe Moon.
Okay. Well, first, we'll start with the things a little bit more easier to figure out is let's start with Bitcoin. 5 years, Bitcoin. 5 years. 5 years is a long time. So I told people this before, and you might think I'm crazy, but minimum 50 million. It's crazy, right?
Wow.
50
I was gonna
million.
say a million. I said a million, but you said 50. Okay. So that's
I'm
the
saying
first
it's
one. What
gonna
about
go
Ethereum?
crazy.
What about Ethereum?
Ethereum? Ethereum is definitely gonna. Ethereum's a hard one because see, Ethereum is good technology, but there's other innovations coming out like
Competitors, a lot
Cardona.
more competitors. Yeah.
So there's competitors for that. Like, man, that's a tough one. I still think Ethereum will still be like the granddaddy to the technology side. So I mean, I would say 150,000.
Okay. Cool, cool, cool. And then Safe Moon. Okay, and then by the way, I was gonna say 500,000 or maybe 100 grand, but it would be crazy in 5 years of Ethereum. One Ethereum is 500,000, dude. No, that's too optimistic. I'll just say 100 grand. hundred
No,
grand in
no, it's
5 years.
not. No, because the thing is we say that because really, what's up, Care Bear? Really, we are so young. We don't really realize we're young because when you're in crypto, you feel like you've been in it for so long. But in reality, there's so many people in the world that don't know what it is. I go to parks all the time. I'm like, any random people, hey, do you know what Bitcoin is? What's that? What's that? People don't even know what it
By the
is
way,
yet.
do you know what the market cap of Safe Moon is?
Yeah, it's like 2.5 billion right now. It got up
Okay.
to like
Wow,
six,
that's a big
five,
market
five
cap. That's a
billion.
big market.
Yeah.
Okay.
It got up to like 5 billion, but the thing is, SafeMoon has a lot of coins, but they've already burnt. They've already burnt like 41% right already in 2 months.
Wow.
So, so SafeMoon in how many years? 5 years.
Yeah. Give me a price prediction.
5 years. Okay, 5 years. This could be. This people are gonna be like, no way, Jose. I'm saying SafeMoon in 5 years. If we keep burning tokens, which they're going to, and then the exchange, and then more people will trade. More people will start buying Save Moon because they're gonna need it. Because then they got like the NFTs and the video games they're putting into their exchange as well, stuff like that. I'd say, and this might be crazy to say, I definitely say $1. I say a dollar.
Okay. Dollar
I say
Safe
a
Moon.
dollar.
And so how
Dollar
much
Save
money in
Moon.
Safe Moon would you have? Because you have a billion Safe Moon? How many Safe Moons
I
do you
have a
have?
couple billion. I have a couple billion in Safe
Dude,
Moon.
so bro, you better invite me on your yacht. Like, what are you gonna buy? Okay, if you have, let's just say you have now
I'm
$3 billion
buying
dollars. What are you buying? What are you buying with your $3 billion?
with
Essentially,
$3 billion.
yeah.
I'm gonna I'm like I'm not the type of person that like I don't need material items. I will get a car just because a different car because I just like I want to have a car that doesn't blow up and I have to take to the freaking get fixed all the time. But but um but materialistically, because I think that we should always have like a material goal in life and then like another like a goal of what we would give back in the world. But for just taking care of the material things, I would buy land, because land is the asset's not going nowhere. Land is not going nowhere. I don't care what anybody says. Well, it
Okay.
kind of is because if the world keeps going the way it is, we'll get rid like we're gonna start polluting the world. But land. I want to buy my mom a double wide trailer. Buy a piece of land, a big piece of land, and just retire her. You don't have to pay nothing for the rest of your life. Here you go. And then I am going to have a place in Florida, which I'm already going to anyway, and a place in New York, and then just make memories of my daughter. Like I'm a single dad, so I just want to go eat chicken wings with monkeys in Costa Rica. That's fine. Go go punch kangaroos in the mouth in Australia. That's cool too. But this is my huge thing. This time I'm gonna go viral on TikTok. Seriously, follow me. This is gonna happen. Y'all follow me. This I'm gonna be viral on TikTok. I'm gonna be the guy, the single dad that goes around that has so much money that he goes around to restaurants across the world. And you ever see Barstool, like the guy that eats the pizza?
Hmm.
He goes around and tries pizza and he ranks the pizza and whatnot. Well, me and my daughter are gonna go around and we're gonna go rank chicken wings and we're gonna give big
Hell
fat
yeah.
tips all the time. Like, here you go. Here's a little bit of crypto that's gonna change your life. Here's a little bit that's gonna change your life. Here's a little bit that's gonna change your life. And
Dude, I
that's what we're
love
gonna
this,
do.
man. You're gonna make billions, and you're still gonna eat chicken wings, and you're gonna get your mom a double wide, dude. I love it, bro. I love it. That's true country, dude. Were you a
It will
wrestler in high
fit.
school? I feel like you
Yeah,
were a
bro.
wrestler in high
I
school.
wrestled in high
You were?
school.
I did too. I was a wrestler too. Front
Yeah,
headlock,
okay.
baby.
Speaking about wrestlers, I got somebody for you to follow that's a huge crypto dude on Instagram. His name is Dylan Palacchio or whatever. He wrestled for Cornell. And he is dude, he's friends with this kid that I went to high school with, and they just randomly don't go on there and just ask him for money, but they just randomly one time sent me $2,000 in Bitcoin, right? They just randomly sent me, and I had to do some research. I was like, I mean, I wrestled with this kid in high school, but why? And then come to find out, this kid is his YouTube channel, or if you look up the homeless wrestler, that's him. He wrestles people on
Homeless
the beach.
wrestler? Okay,
Yeah.
homeless wrestler.
Look him up, and I follow his Instagram, and he has a Discord where you pay like $2,000 a year to get in. He has like thousands of celebrities and people that want to get in his group because this kid has millions and millions of dollars in crypto, millions of dollars. He's super young, so he really knows what the hell he's doing. And yeah, he was a wrestler, man. So he just like some of the wrestlers, they got in that Bitcoin.
So for me, if I ever do get to $1 billion, the only thing I want to do is go to space. So I definitely want to go to space if I have $1 billion, and I want to fight. I don't know if you believe in climate change, but I want most of my
Yeah,
money to go because, like, you got a daughter, right? And it's like I don't want your poor
yeah,
daughter or your great granddaughter not to be able to go surfing. Like, I'm a surfer. I live in California, and so I want clean
yeah,
air, clean water. So I think most of my billions will go towards that. However, we can make sure that the next 100, 200, 300 years, and then I do want to go to the moon. How everyone's like, oh, to the moon. I literally want to
yeah.
do a TikTok live from the moon. I might be an old man, but I'm like, yo, I'm on the moon, guys. Like
I
Dogecoin
think we're
to
going to
the
go to the
moon.
moon. Like Elon's going to put us in Mars at least, man.
Yeah.
Elon, man. No,
Dude,
so
shout
so what
out,
do you?
dude. We got a girl. We got a girl wrestler that said dudes forfeited. That's so true. Guys would forfeit against girl wrestlers. Yeah.
Yeah,
We have female wrestling now in California. So it's female versus
yeah.
female. It's actually a big deal. And I coach for my high school, and we actually got a girl to the state tournament. But it literally, like, I
Wow.
felt bad for her because, like, she's like a wealthy girl from Newport. And, like, in the state tournament, these girls were all like tatted up and like wearing dress.
So
Like,
how
it
so
was
how
basically all the
so
prisoners.
you're pretty young. You're pretty young, right? What are you, like 26, 27?
No, I'm 34, man. I'm an old man.
Oh, so you're older
34.
than me.
Yeah, that's why I have all these crypto assets and real estate. It's because I got into the
Oh,
pyramid scheme. You know, I was able to buy my first house in 2010. So, like, everything was like super duper cheap back in the day.
I was gonna ask you if you knew kids I wrestled with, because I mean the kids I wrestled are like from my high school are like 4-time New York State champs,
Oh
and they're
wow, so you get okay.
like I mean I have a kid that was like one of my friends Tyler Beckwith. He was like he's in the National Hall of
You've heard of
Fame.
David Taylor? You've heard of David Taylor, right? The wrestler,
Yeah, David Taylor. Yeah.
Magic Man. So yeah, I
Oh,
watch.
I mean,
I watch a
I'm
lot.
gonna tell you something. Yeah, I'm
Did
gonna
you
tell
ever
you
wrestle?
somebody that I wrestled with in high school. You're gonna be like, no freaking way. He's from about I don't know 30 minutes from me. A lot of my friends wrestled with him. Two people, okay, two people from my area. First one is the UFC champion John Bone Jones.
Okay, that's crazy, man.
All right.
That's so cool.
So I'm from Binghamton.
Dude,
I live in Binghamton. Endicott's 10 minutes away. My friends played football with it or wrestled with him. My wrestling coach Sherwood Fendrick actually made Johnny Bones Jones cry. He's the only person to ever make him cry. He put him in a crossface and made him cry. He even said it when he came to the mall, like when he was on TV when he first was like a world champion. He's like, "This is the only man to ever make me cry." And then
wow.
there's another kid from my area that we wrestled with in high school. I remember seeing him at like wrestling tournaments, and my friends wrestled him and whatnot. He wasn't even that good in high school. He was all right. Is Kyle the Duck Dake, man? Kyle Dake.
Yeah, dude, you know him? Oh my God, he's
Yeah.
the yeah, dude. I watch his like workout videos and stuff because he has like the
He's
weird. He
insane.
does like, well, he does all his training with like motion, right? He doesn't like lift weights. He does like instead all the motions to wrestling. But man, dude, that's so crazy. I got to come visit you in New York, dude, just to like,
Yeah, man.
that's where all the
My
great wrestlers
wrestling
come
friends,
from.
like, yeah, like I mean, upstate New York is pretty good wrestlers. Like we have some. I mean, I
Well,
would
I'm
say we have
Persian.
some good wrestlers.
You know any of the Persian
What?
wrestlers? I'm Persian. I'm Iranian. So there's actually a lot of
Oh yeah.
good Iranian wrestlers, believe it or not. So yeah, when America actually has like they do a beat with the Persian wrestlers, and what's crazy is that's where I really enjoyed watching David Taylor because David Taylor pinned the gold medalist of 2016, the Iranian
Yeah.
wrestler. It was Yazdani. You can watch it on YouTube, but it was crazy, man. Like watching David Taylor dominate the guy who was the gold. He pinned him. He pinned the guy with the
Yeah.
gold medal. So.
It's so crazy that I literally live 40 minutes from Ithaca, which is where Cornell University is.
Yep.
The
Yep.
Cornell.
Cornell. Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
Kyle Dake, man, that's just so crazy because I lived in his town, Lansing. Like I was friends with Johnny Glennon, which is a kid that wrestled on his wrestling team, which was still a good wrestler, but he obviously wasn't didn't do what Kyle Dake did. Kyle Dake, literally, dude, that is just insane. Like his mindset is just
All right. Hey,
unreal, man.
my followers are saying the way we're gonna get a big following on TikTok is we need to wrestle each other. We need to challenge each other to a wrestling match, and the winner gets a double wide. We're gonna wrestle, and whoever wins gets a double wide.
Dude,
But
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. He's probably gonna win because I only wrestled for like 1 year,
yeah, I
2 years
coach
in high
too,
school.
so it helps. Yeah, because I actually coach, and so believe it or not, these high schoolers still like give me a run for my money, dude. Like the high schoolers are
Yeah,
legit, and
yeah,
they get
no,
so much
they
more
are
training
legit. Like
now. They get a lot more training now because like me, you and I, we didn't go on YouTube. Like I couldn't watch the best wrestlers on YouTube,
it's
right?
so true. They're probably wicked good now. Like,
Yeah.
you think
But I
so?
gotta run. I gotta get going to the
Yeah, I gotta
gym.
get
You
out of
know, I
here
don't
too.
want to
Hold
get.
on. I had two people that said, "Do you like XRP? Do you like
I like
XRP?"
I like
I like
XRP,
XRP. I mean, I'm not in it yet, but I'm a rookie.
and we
But
got
I'm sure
another
I will. I'm
comment.
gonna have a little bit. What?
Someone in the comment wants to say Jesus loves you. I love Jesus.
Jesus
Jesus
loves you
loves
too.
you.
All right. See ya, and
Good
we'll
talking. Let's
talk
do this
soon.
again soon. Yeah, we gotta do this again
Yeah, man,
soon.
for
I
sure.
love
All
talking
right.
to you,
Peace,
dude. All
bro.
right, bye.
Peace. See ya.